the side of the door here with it open, you'll notice that there's a cap here. Let's remove this cap. Sometimes a pocket screwdriver works best, but make sure you don't scratch your paint. There we go. Behind it, you'll see a T30 Torx bolt. Remove it, or, well, loosen it up because it doesn't fully come out. Then on the outside of it, you can actually remove this door lock cover. There we go. You can just pry this inner piece here, and that should come right off. And at this point, you can take the door handle, pull it out that way, and then towards you, move the lock out of the way a little bit, and then you can take this handle right out. Make sure the gasket stays there. Here's your old handle. Before you install your new handle, you can paint it to color match it if you'd like. If not, or if it's already painted, go ahead and slide it in at the back first. Just like that. Put the gasket back where it belongs. Then slide it in up front. And then that way to lock it in place. Put the cap back over the lock. Make sure it snaps in place and is properly secured. It's not. Okay, put the cap back over, slide the lock in, and let's resecure it with the bolt. Snug up this bolt. Let's get the cap back on. All right, now close the door and test your door handle. Perfect.